This 2009 GMC Sierra 2500 is brought to you by Roger KEHDI Mitsubishi. Clean Carfax. 16 end quote, X65 end quote, 8 lug painted steel wheels, 3.73 rear axle ratio, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6-speaker audio system feature, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, XM, AM/FM stereo W/MP3 CD player/XM satellite, bumpers, chrome, CD player, delay off headlights, driver door bin, dual front impact airbags, emergency communication system, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, front anti-roll bar, front center armrest W/storage, front reading lights, front wheel independent suspension, fully automatic headlights, heavy-duty handling/trailering suspension package, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger cancelable airbag, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door locks, power steering, radio